Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Avalanche price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, now we have a little bit a choppy start, of course, here where possibly it can be, of course, an impulse or it can be even a 3 corrective waves toward the upside. So we have to consider both case scenarios here, of course, because yeah, that is a little bit tricky things here. I don't know how to count it, but in this case, I just take both case scenarios. And then if we take, of course, an wave A here as an impulse, we are probably looking for a wave B in the magenta here, and you're looking for a wave C toward the upside, meaning you are looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit the 1.618. Almost for a wave 3 here, and then 4 and a 5 to finish a wave C toward the upside. This is your bullish scenario, of course. Your bearish scenario is, of course, a corrective wave in a very contracting triangle. A, B, C, D, E. Your wave E has finished probably here towards the upside after zigzags, of course, for every single wave here. And probably we would like to move for a impulsive wave toward the downside, where you are probably looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Possibly finishing in a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably much lower for Avalanche. In this case scenario, this whole thing will transform to a big wave B towards the downside here in 3 ways, finishing A, B, and a C towards the downside, and then of course continuation for a wave C for higher prices. So these are the possibilities, of course, only in case we take this low. So far we are still with higher possibility for higher prices a little bit. Because of course of the impulse that we can count here, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or even 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, we're gonna see, of course, but higher possibilities still, of course, for higher prices. Now, of course, we might take the low. Obviously, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and we still probably need one more low, but this is gonna also finish your wave 2 as a 1, 2 here exactly for this scenario. So what we are looking at here at the 4-hour chart, if we take a look, possibly we are looking at a wave 2 towards the downside after finishing this huge impulse that I showed, of course, on the daily, probably with a wave 1. And probably you're gonna finish a wave 2 exactly in this perfect blue zone, which is between the perfect fib levels. As well, for a wave 2, 0.618, 0.786 at 19.3 and 13.9. Nice numbers. They are just totally reversed. 19.3 and 13.9. Very nice. Of course, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So probably finishing this wave 2, moving for higher. Now, another scenario that we are looking at here inside this 4 wave, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 potentially finished a leading diagonal, but as you can see, 3, 4, and a 5, well, finishing a wave 3, but your wave 4 both, yeah, not good, not good at all, of course, meaning, of course, this cannot be a leading diagonal, guys. It has to be considered. It's already invalidated. It has been, I think, a long time we didn't do Avalanche, guys. So I see a lot of things that it has to be changed. So A, B, and a C here. A, B, C. Now WXY was potential, but yeah, probably this is a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, this is your diagonal actually, probably. Let me check. No, this is a very long wave 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 invalidation. Okay. Yeah, it can be a double zigzag then. Yeah, 3. Okay, and zigzag. So yeah, as you can see, it can be even, well, I don't like to take it always as an expanding diagonal, but it can be, of course, even a corrective wave, 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Anyway, this leg is still required. Even inside this correction wave, whatever it is here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It has to be taken. Is it 3 waves, corrective, and then 3 waves? You still need to finish this impulse as 1, 2, even you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, something like this. So it's gonna end choppy. Even it's gonna end in a choppy wave probably, and taking the low and then start to move towards the upside. Yeah. Yeah, this might be like something like this, and then of course, yeah, moving for higher finishing A, B, and a C. This is what we want to see, of course, in the daily as a finished scenario. So yeah, let's wait and see and check what's gonna happen for Avalanche. That was it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.